Hey, what's up you guys? Installing a trailer hitch on your Infiniti QX60 can take you to some really cool places, like camping, biking, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down this install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. To start off our install, we're going to remove the tow hook located on the driver's side frame rail. It's held in by 2 bolts on the bottom and 2 bolts on the side. We're going to remove those using an 18mm socket. And we will not reinstall this. Next, on the driver's side, we're going to trim our carbon canister shield. In some cases, you might not even have to do it. Your hitch will just line up into place. But in some instances, this does not allow you to push it back just enough. So we're just going to cut off the tip of it right here. So now we're ready to bring our hitch up, but there's a lot of holes on both sides of the frame. So let's show you the attachment points that we'll be using. On the driver's side, we're going to be using these 3 weld nuts on the inside of the frame, and it's identical on the passenger side. So now we're going to line up our hitch with those attachment points. We are going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack to hold it into place. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch is pretty heavy. Now with our hitch all lined up, we're ready to bring our hardware into place. For each weld nut, our kit comes with a bolt, with a flat washer and lock washer. So we're going to go ahead and put all of those in. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. Now we're going to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer specification. We're going to be using a 19mm socket, and it helps to use an extension. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 4 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 13.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.